So step number one is you guys directly go to clickbank.com, and in marketplace we're gonna select a product for this video in the, like you guys can see, home and garden niche. You guys just click this and let's see, scroll down and you guys can see I'm gonna select this product is one of the highest converting product from last couple of years. You guys can see Ted's woodworking, highest converting site on the internet. You guys can see still this website is getting 137 gravity. So this product is converting really well from last couple of years. For this video we're gonna promote this offer. Okay, so first of all, you guys just see the sales page, click this and open the sales page and let's see. So here is the thing, you guys can see a lot of things you guys can see here. So first of all, they show you the sales video and scroll down the all sales page you guys can see here. Okay, so we're gonna promote this offer with the unique strategy I'm gonna show you in a second. You guys just click promote and get your affiliate link and save in your notepad. Okay, once you saved it, then I'm gonna show you what you guys can do. So I'm gonna show you where you guys can promote. So I'm gonna show you which website we're gonna choose to promote this. But first of all, you guys can see that website is getting almost 14 million views, and in the last month that website gets 17.9 million views. In the last month almost this website gets 18 million views. And scroll down and let's see the audience. You guys can see United States, 37% audience comes from United States, then United Kingdom, Canada, India, Australia. So these are the countries. 5 out of 4 countries are tier 1 countries. Okay, so we're gonna select this website and we're gonna promote our offer. Okay, so this website is called instructable.com. So in this website a lot of people came in this website and just simply post their project related to, you guys can see, circuits, workshop, craft, cooking, living, outside. So these are the niches of this website, and a lot of people came in this website and finding projects. If anybody likes the project, these guys will create the projects in weekends or like in their backyard. For I don't know why, but these guys are creating like woodworking type of products. That's why this product converts really well. Okay, so make sure understand this, why we select a woodworking product. So in this website there is very few niches. You guys can see, you guys can promote circuits related product, workshop related, craft related, cooking, living, outside, teachers. So in this website there is almost 6 or 7 niches. If you find a product related to these niches, you guys can promote with this website. So that's why I find it a product related to workshop, Ted's woodworking. That's why I am promoting with this website. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna show you one project. You click this and let's see how the project looks like. So first of all, you guys can see this is the headline of that project. Scroll down, this guy is added a video, then only images, and scroll down and you guys can see this guys also provide their YouTube link. Scroll down and all the supplies, step number 1, step number 2. I'm gonna show you how you guys can edit everything. And this guy is also selling something. Okay, in these projects a lot of people are selling something or selling their projects for whole videos, step-by-step training. Okay, so you see this, this is how your project looks like. So you guys can see this project gets almost 785 views, 7085 views. Okay, so let's go back to the home page and we're gonna promote our offer. You guys can see, first of all, make sure sign up very easy. You guys just put your email and password, your account will be created. You guys can see publish, you click publish and you guys can see new instructable, click this. So it will take few seconds. So you guys can see that now we're gonna add our name. I made a project called, for example, make 16,000 projects with step-by-step plan. So start instructable, click this. And if you want to upload an image, so I have an image, I'm gonna upload it. Click this and there you go, just click upload. Okay, and just you guys click done. Okay, once you did this and scroll down, and now you guys can see step 1. If you click this, add a step 1. So now how you guys can add your step? First of all, you guys go back to this sales page of Ted's Woodworking and scroll down. You guys can see the step number 1. You just copy this and directly go to there, open this, open like this and just simply paste it here. Step 1 is done. Save this, and again we go back. Step number 2, step number 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I'm just gonna copy all this stuff and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you guys can see that I added all the steps. So that this is very, very easy. You guys just click steps. You guys just click at least 4 or 5 steps. Once you did this, so right now I'm deleting the 6th one. Once you did this, then you guys just click the first one or any other. You guys just simply click this and scroll down, and I'm gonna show you how you guys can add this stuff. So first is I got this headline and detail. You guys go to this sales page of Ted's Woodworking. So that this is the headline and this is the text I got from here, and the second one I got here, third, fourth and fifth one. You guys can see this is one, this is second step, third step, fourth step and the fifth step. So if you want to add an image, you guys directly go and you guys can see this image. You guys just right click and you guys can see save image. Click this and this image will be saved in your PC. Okay, and you guys just go back to the project side and just click this and click browse and scroll down, and let's see where is the image, and there you go, and you guys click upload and your image is uploaded successfully. Once this is done, you guys can see we just added all the headlines, we added all the descriptions, and we also added the images through the sales page. Okay, and you guys just click save. Once you click saved, then we go back to the sales project main side. Okay, sorry. So once the all steps are done, you guys can see only 5 steps, then you guys can see the first one. Click this and we're gonna set up this. Okay, so first of all we're gonna add an image, but before we're gonna add a main call to action and the text. You guys back to the sales page of Ted's Woodworking and scroll all the way down, and we're gonna select this image. Okay, we must save all these images, and you guys can see this. We just copy this, you guys just simply right click and just copy like this, and came here and just, okay, wait a minute, 1 second, and you guys came back and just simply paste the whole thing which we copied. You guys can see everything is here right now, back like this, and I'm gonna add one more thing. You guys can see here is my call to action, one more call to action, and my affiliate there. This is my affiliate link. Okay, there is my affiliate link. Copy this, click here to download all the projects, and if you want to add insert link in anywhere, you guys can see. So I'm gonna add insert link. You guys copy this first of all, and you guys can see this icon. Click this, insert link, and just simply paste like this, inserted. So our link is inserted. If you guys want to add an image here, this is very, very must. You guys go back to their sales page, Ted's Woodworking, and you guys can see, just right click and save image. All the image will be saved. Okay, and go back to there and you guys just upload the image. We're gonna upload the image. Click this, browse, and there is an image which I downloaded right now. There you go, and I'm gonna add one more image. So these are the two images I uploaded, and I got these images from Ted's woodworking sales page. Okay, upload it. It will take few seconds and then this will be uploaded. So you guys can see that our images is uploaded successfully. Click done, and you guys can see our project is now ready to publish. First of all, we save this once, and you guys can see click publish. And now we're gonna see, so this is a title, and category is really important. Click this workshop because our product related to workshop. Click this, and channels, scroll all the way down and you guys can find woodworking. Click this. Okay, and the keywords is really important. If anybody type here, for example, woodworking plans or like this, your project or will pops up. Okay, so wait a minute, woodworking design, and just click enter. Your ad is ready to publish. You guys just click publish now, and you guys can see the link. You guys just simply click this link, open in a new tab, and let's see how our project looks like. So you guys can see that we did everything right. Our project looks really good. This is first of all our headline, then our images. Scroll down all the checklist or the design's name. Scroll all the way down, then they will show step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, all the steps. Now this will show, and I think our link is not looks like good because it is not clickable. So we're gonna go back to edit instructable. Click this, and we're gonna insert our link again. Okay, so you guys can see that we are back in editor mode. You guys just click this again, scroll down, and just copy this, and you guys can see click insert link, and now we're gonna add a link. So there you go. Now our ad links is being clickable. Okay, it's now everybody can click, they directly go to the sales page of woodworking. Okay, now we're gonna go and publish our ad again. You guys can see everything is done and ready to go. You guys just click save, and we are good to go. So once you guys save this, then you guys just click this, and you guys can easily your project right now. So you guys can see we got 2 views right now, and scroll down, you guys can see our image looks good, and the second image also looks good. Scroll down, and now you guys can see that our link is clickable. If anybody clicks this, they directly go to the Ted's Woodworking sales page, and if they buy it, we get a commission. Okay, so that's it.